8 New York, you're definitely making a fine trip to Texas. The watchmaker waving back. Howdy-o.
Boy Blue. All right, little Boy Blue, let me take a pause for the cause now.
I got a copy on you there, Boomerang.
I feel something trying to come up out of that pipe, so I better go here, because I hear the pipes are rattling when I key up.
Howdy-o, howdy-o.
331, you're walking on top of most of those heavy hitters coming back down this way towards Georgetown, Texas. That's 415 Georgetown.
2488, Boomerang, you're making a real fine trip to Austin, Texas there, Howdy-o. A big high five and your radio sounds choice.
Doing a bit hard, standing by, play.
Howdy-o, howdy-o.
Oh, you've got some audio, no doubt. 122 Main letting you know.
Live wire, when you got down, it was all over town. Hey, live wire, whatever you done, you put it all over the west side. Hey, live wire, you're making my steam pipe jump up and down when you key that thing up there. Hey, live wire, good afternoon to you down there in Razorback State. You're a senior citizen working this old steam pipe out here.
That's all right. I appreciate that try, and they come back anyway.
Yes, the pumpkin, come on.
001. Hey, 001, you're making quite a racket into New England today, no doubt about it. 001, 122, State of Maine, trying to wave.
Go ahead, Undertaker.
Oh, we must be stuck in the mud up here in New England, no doubt. 122, State of Maine.
Cave out here, you never know about me. I'm gonna be out here in the old methane cave, just sucking up some of this old stink out here.
This is 415 Georgetown, Texas, and the friendly smile. You got a copy on this, Georgetown, Texas?
Bye, live wire. I'll see you later. Turn on the lights over there, little Boy Blue. Turn the lights on. It's getting too dark for you, old senior citizens. Go.
How about it, Skip Land? How about it, Skip Land? It's be 406. 406. Break.
Waving a hand, 406, 406, Texas, 122, State of Maine, putting that 4 and 1 your way.
Hello, 122. I've been hollering at you for a week.
122, 147, around the store, around the bell.
You're getting in right now, 406, no doubt about it. So, hey, we got you in the receive, so we're going to wave the hand right back at you, sir. No doubt. Sometimes I get quite a pile up here, no doubt about it. But, hey, 406, you're sounding real good today. 122, letting you know.
Thank you very much. Mother Nature is finally being nice to you.
I don't know if you can hear me. It's all that hashing.
4570, you're still coming in real good down at 415 Georgetown, Texas.
75 to you there, Cisco.